Stop it. It's his birthday.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Happy birthday to you.
What are you making me do right now?
I'm making you take you... Don't cut your head off. I'm making you take your daily dose of what I call...
Ningxia.
What we call ninja in this house. 'Cause
Ningxia.
it makes you feel like a ninja. But it's all kinds of goodness. So it's Young Living's red juice. It's got wolfberries, blueberries, sweet cherry, pomegranate. What else? It's got a bunch of stuff. Plum. And then a whole bunch of essential oils in it too. So it, as it says, re-energizes, fortifies, and revitalizes. You like it.
November, India, November, Golf, X-Ray, India, Alpha. Ninja.
And you like it, don't you?
I like it a lot. It makes me knife hand.
When did you used to drink it?
When I was working a lot.
Right.
Yeah.
And how did it make you feel?
Not dead.
Exactly.
Made me feel not dead. And, hey, I can't say, this isn't a clinical study, but I'm still not dead. So, that's something. I mean,
Right.
Here I am, not dead.
Well, and I just saw a post. So, like, I'm supposed to wear glasses. You should be wearing glasses, too. And
These are the best eyes. They're tremendous.
no,
Talk.
you have the best words.
These
not
are the best eyes. They're tremendous. Talk.
So I just saw a post on Facebook by one of my higher ups that a lady went in to get her eyes checked, like her annual exam.
Right.
And her vision had increased, like, better by, like, half of a point. Like, she was at a 4? Does it go up or down?
You're
I
killing
forget.
it.
Shut up. Okay, so, anyways, but she drinks Ninja daily. So, I'm going to start drinking Ninja.
And she's also not dead.
I normally drink it just whenever I need a pick-me-up, because it does give you
You
a
already
boost.
had one.
This is yours.
I know.
I'm just showing. So this is the red juice. Kind of looks like tomato juice. Doesn't taste at all like
Needs
tomato
vodka and
juice.
celery in it. Come on, man. Get this show on the
That'd be
road.
good.
These people
Okay.
got stuff to do.
You're rude.
For real. 10 minutes and under.
Okay, we're getting there.
Okay.
So this is also another...
Mind-wise. Dietary supplement. Probably won't kill you. Ish.
I'm going to smack you on your birthday. The whole world will see.
Oh, girl.
Okay, so this is packed full of CoQ10.
CoQ10.
Yes, and great for your brain. It's got pomegranate again, a whole bunch of enzymes and other
And things.
goodies there.
So you're going to put some of that in here.
You take a tablespoon of
A
that.
tablespoon of that.
And so, kind of looks like chocolate milk. Or chocolate.
Bro, go get my C60.
Oh, you want your Heavenly too?
Yeah,
I'm telling you, I think that would be a good...
I've been taking a lot of C60 lately because I haven't been feeling well, and it's definitely like helping. C60 it like gives you energy. It's carbon 60, Heavenly carbon 60.
Heavenly Natural Products.
Heavenly natural products. Gimme,
It's my face.
gimme. Carbon 60 with olive oil. Heavenly natural products. HeavenlyC60.com. Whoa, getting washed out in the light. There we go. There you go.
Yeah. It's bright. We're in a bright spot.
Cool. And so, listen, guys, this is not like convenient product placement. We know the people that own this company, and they're the bomb. They're awesome. We love them, and it works. And you guys know anybody who's like, hey, man, I have a product. Can I send it to you to try out? The first thing I ask them is, does it suck? Because if it sucks, I'm going to tell everybody it sucks. So it better not suck. This doesn't suck. By the way, the shotgun thing, the shotgun parts, don't suck either. I just haven't gotten around to reviewing them yet.
Oh, I found them.
You found them? Good. That's good.
Wait, temporarily.
Good. That has nothing to do with this, though. All right, so put some of this in here. But shotgun parts don't suck. We'll do those soon.
Are you supposed to have like a dropper full?
You're supposed to get 4 half droppers a day of that stuff. And that's like activated carbon in high quality olive oil. And it does like all kinds of stuff for you. Immune support, the whole 9. It gives you energy. It's good for your Peter. Not that I have that problem, but if you know you're older and you got a Peter problem, this would be a Peter problem solver for you. So
are we going to start talking about Peter oils? Because I've got some too.
You got Peter oils. Yes. Wow, this is that's a different platform those videos go on. Yeah, that's definitely that would not be a monetized. Well, I guess you could monetize it. It's just anyway.
There you go. Drink your juice.
I'll shut up now. Smells like death.
It does not.
Reminds me of car tire fires.
No. Ninja's kind of tangy.
And mortar rounds. Sorry.
Ninja's kind of tangy like cranberry juice.
Pinky up?
Pinky up.
Pinky up.
I already had mine, so.
But pinky up.
Pinky up.
Do I
you
just
you
sip
gotta
it?
Be fancy.
Or do I shoot it?
Well, I don't know.
Your hair looks great today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we go. Car tire fires.
Oh my gosh.
It's good.
I'm never doing a video with him again.
You love me. It's my damn birthday.
So you could be like,
yeah.
Okay.
You got 2 minutes and 42 seconds.
All right.
All right.
That's it.
That's it?
Well, I don't know.
You gonna give me the dang vitamins? Also, y'all take your magnesium. Was it 84% of people?
Yeah. So a study shows 84% of Americans are magnesium deficient, and that's because of all the processed crap that we eat. So when you have nervous issues or really anything, like magnesium is a vital nutrient that your body needs in order to absorb enzymes and all sorts of stuff. Well, you don't need all these. These are mine.
Give me my magnesium.
You don't need the Femi.
No, I don't need the Femi.
You could use the hair.
I got great hair. It's tremendous. Look how long it is. Like a long-haired hippie.
And then sulfur.
Sulfur.
Yeah. So you're taking sulfur, magnesium, and hair.
Also, just I'm
hair,
not
skin, and nails.
I'm not dead yet.
No, and you're not.
Throwing
and
that
it's
out
my
there.
intention to keep you from doing
That's
that.
very kind of you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't. I want
it's because I haven't put her on the life insurance policy yet.
Not this
She's
way
like,
death.
after the life insurance, she's like, we'll work on the death. But right now, it's, you know, I'm not on there yet. I'm not a beneficiary.
Uncle Jerry was telling the lady yesterday we were buying mouse poison. He's like, this isn't to kill her husband. And I like played along and I was like, shh, don't tell her that. She'll know now. So.
At Atwoods? Oh, those are my people. They wouldn't kill me.
Yeah.
I'm a recurring chainsaw sales guy.
Right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For not killing me yet.
Yes.
And
healed.
Be healed. Throw a coat at me. There's that guy with a white coat who goes crazy, knocking people over. Where's that guy?
I don't know. I have no idea what you're talking about.
If you're a chick and your lady parts need attention, email her at hommybiscuits.com. She'll tell you about Femi-Gen. You gonna do a video about Femi-Gen?
I want to, because it's had such a big impact on my life.
It impacted your lady parts?
Yes.
Different video. Shalom, y'all.